guys, what is up? Today we're gonna go over another Discord overlay thing. This is gonna be Discord overlay because you guys really seem to like the Discord videos, so I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of tutorials on those. So check out my channel if you want to know how to get people into your Discord server, how to get your Discord server active, a bunch of different stuff. Check my channel out if you want to see those things. But right now we are going to go over Discord overlay. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down to your setting. You're going to click on user settings and then you're going to go to overlay right over here. So you're going to want to have this on. So if it's off like this, turn it on. I have my avatar size as large, just how I like it. And then I have it only while speaking. That's how most of the YouTubers and streamers have it if you want to have it like that. And then same thing for the users, only while speaking. You get to see their like profile pictures. And then this you can choose where they are. So I usually have it up here just because it doesn't mess with my game as much if I have it in the top left, but that's totally your choice. So these are all preferences. It's really easy. I just wanted to get that quick clip out to you guys. So yeah, have a great day, and that's how you do it. Don't forget to smile.